In the previous lecture, we have completed step number 17. Now we have step number 18. So step number 18 is about the pricing procedure. What do you mean the pricing procedure? When we are going to bill the customer. So in that billing, what is the gross amount, net amount, taxes, rebate, discounts, all that component we take it under the pricing procedure. This is also known as SD pricing procedure, and once again, this is to be set up, maintained by the SD consultant. So we will be taking here a standard pricing procedure RVAA01, and the properties of this RVAA01 we will copy to our pricing procedure, which we are going to set up. So transaction code for this, it is V/08. Let's go into the system and run transaction code V/08, enter. So here we can just see we have a list of pricing procedure. We can click on position button, search for the RVAA01. So this is a standard pricing procedure. We can select it and then we can click on this button, copy as. We need to have our pricing procedure, and for this we can give the name as 2244. It is SD pricing procedure, and we can give the name pricing procedure for 2244. Enter. System will give you this message. Do you want to copy all the properties of this standard RVAA01? Yes. Click on copy all option. So it will give you this message. Just press enter button. Keep pressing the enter button until unless you have that last screen where system will ask you to save it. Press enter button. Now in the SD pricing procedure, what we have the condition type. How we can see them? You can select this pricing procedure SD 2244 SD pricing procedure, which we have recently created, and then you go to the control. Here on the left side under the procedure, we have a folder called control. You double click on this, you will be able to see all your condition types. So condition type, for any of your component you use the condition type. For example, what is the cost price, what is the sale price, what is the what is the discount, what is the net price, what is the rebate, what is the material cost. So all that information we'll be able to get it under the pricing procedure, and through this condition type we can set up. Now here we need three condition type which we will be using for our pricing procedure, and these are price, material cost, and freight. And for this we can select, we don't require all the condition types, so we can select all. We can deselect the second one, it is PR00, standard condition type for price. Then after that we have, just scroll down, deselect material K004, scroll down and deselect this KF00 freight, and remove the all these condition type because we don't require them. Click on the delete button. So these are the three condition type we have left in this pricing feature. Just save it. Then after this step number 18, we have step number 19, where it is saying that system should determine this pricing procedure, and for this we have the next step, transaction code. We can run it as OV double K. Transaction code is OV double K. Go to this transaction code. Transaction code is OV double K. Enter. And this pricing procedure we are going to link with our sales organization. That is how it will be determined by system automatically. So for this, we need to also give the information. So for example, here we have the division, we have the distribution channel, we have the document, we have the pricing feature for document for customer, and here we have the condition type. Main condition type for the price we will be using as PR00. Click on the new entry button. Give our sales organization ID, which is 2244, distribution channel ID 44, division 44. So for which sale area you want this pricing procedure to be determined automatically. So for our sale area which we have set up, then here we have the pricing procedure for the document. Press F4 key. We can use here standard one, which is A, and then we have the custom pricing procedure which we can select as 1. So if you remember, when we have set up in the previous lecture, we have set up the customer at a third level, that is the sales data. In that we have the first tab, okay, sales. So in that we have selected the pricing procedure, and here we have selected the pricing procedure. So this is how system is able to determine in the pricing procedure for that particular customer. Here we have the pricing procedure. Press F4 option and select assign the pricing procedure. We'll assign here the pricing procedure. Press F4 key. So we can just see here we have our pricing procedure 2244 SD selected, and condition type we have for the price in this pricing procedure, it is PR00 standard. Save, and then we can go back. So we are done with the step number 19. Now we have the step number 20 where we need to maintain the condition records. So this condition record, why we use this condition record? Actually to enter the price for your sale amount, or when we are creating the sale order. So how the system is going to drive the amount. So whatever the amount we will set up for our customer under this condition record, so system would be able to drive it. So here we will run transaction code VK11, enter. Which condition type we have assigned with pricing procedure in the last step? It is PR00. Select PR00 and then press enter button. So here system is going to ask you how you are going to maintain the price. So you are going to maintain the price with a combination of your customer material with the release status, with price list, category, currency, material with release status, or only with the material. So we'll select the first combination. We are going to maintain this price with a combination of material and customer, and then press enter button. So for our customer, the material which we have rated FG 2244. So what should be the amount? So here we can have the material, and it is material ID is FG 2244. Then how much is the amount? Per unit amount is 100 per unit. And what is the currency? So currency is USD. And now press enter button. Press enter button. You can just see for this customer, system is going to charge how much price? System is going to charge the per unit price as $100, and for how long? It will start from today and it will valid till 999 year. So if you want to specify here any particular date, so you can mention that. So this price will be valid till that date. Now I'm going to save this price under the condition record for our customer, and then we can come out of here. It is getting saved. So condition records is saved now. Next step number 22, we need to create the GL. The way we created the GL for FIMM integration, same way we'll be creating the GL for the FISD integration. So here, so in the FIMM integration, we created the raw material stock. Okay, so here we will be creating the GL for the finished material stock. And for this finished material stock, here we need to take the account group asset, and the range is starting from 200,000 to 29999. So I am just randomly picking this number 200 175 as a finished goods inventory or finished goods stock account. So here we can go to the GL master data transaction code. We can use FS00 200 175, company code 2244. Click on the new entry button. Account group is asset, type is balance sheet, and then we can give the name as finish stock account, finish stock account, finish goods stock, finish goods stock account. Then go to the control data tab, select only balance in local currency line item display sort key 001. Then go to the third tab, bank interest tab. Here we need to assign the field status group relevant for the material, which is G006, G006 material account, and select this checkbox post automatically. System should use this GL for the automatic posting only. Save. Click on the save option. So data got saved. Now we need to have the next GL, and for the next GL creation it is the cost of goods sold account. This we will be using at the time of PGI. So let's have here the GL number. It is to be maintained on the expense side, and in the number we have for the expense, the range GL range we have from 400,000 to 4999. So let it be the GL number we are picking here for the cost of goods sold account. It is 400 150. Click on the type and description. Select the account group as expense, type as P&L, and we can give the name as COGS account, cost of goods sold account. Go to the control data tab. Select only balance in local currency line item display sort key 001. Select only balance in local currency line item display sort key 001. After that we can go to the third tab, bank interest tab. Here we need to assign the GL for the cost of goods sold, and for this we have a field status group relevant for the GL. It is G030. G030. So here it is the change in stock account. This is a field status group we need to assign with the COGSGL, and then select this checkbox post automatically. And the third GL which we are going to create, it is the revenue account. So here, if you have already created this GL in your AR, then it is not required. So here we can just have this GL 300,000. Go to the display option. So we have already this GL revenue account. Okay. Now we are done with the GL creation. We need to now link it with the material, and how we are going to do it. We have step number 24. We will run transaction code OBYC, through which we are going to link the GL under the transaction event key. And the first transaction event key we will be using BS6. Let's go into the system, run transaction code OBYC. We have a list of transaction event key. Once again, we can go to the inventory posting. Transaction event key is BSX. Double click on this. System will confirm your chart of account ID. In our case, we are using this 2244. Press enter button, and then we can just see we have the GL assigned with the raw material. Same way, you assign your GL with your finished material. And for the finished material, we have the material type FERT, and for that FERT, we are using the valuation class ID 7920 in our material master data. So the same valuation class we need to use here, 7920, and then you can assign here your GL for the finished stock account, which is in our case 200,175. This is the GL we have created today. Save it. So this GL we have saved under the transaction event key BSX. Now go to the GBP. So GBP is for your cost of goods sold for the consumption and for the offset account. So go down alphabetically, it is maintained, and double click on this GBP. GBP is for the offsetting entry for the inventory posting. Double click on this, and then you select this evaluation class checkbox, save, and then you can press F4 key. Press F4 key. Here once again for the finished material we have the valuation class ID as 7920, and we need to link here our cost of goods sold account, which is 40150. Enter, save. Then we can go down. So here we have linked the GL with the material. Now under the step number 25, so here we are going to assign the GL, not the assignment of material account, but here we need to assign the revenue account. We need to assign the revenue account. Transaction code is VKOA. So this is the point where we are going to link our finance FI with the SD, sales and distribution. Here in the OBYC, we are linking the FI with the MM. Whereas in the step number 25, we are linking the FI with the SD. System will give you these tables. We need to select the first table. Here it is going to give you a combination of your customer group, material group and account key. So you double click on this and then you click on the new entry button. So this way we are going to assign our revenue account with the SD. In the SD what we have the sale area, and sale area is nothing but the sales organization, account assignment group for the customer, for the material. So we are going to click on the new entry button, and application we are going to use here V is for the SD. Then we have the condition type. So here if you are going to link your revenue account, the first thing we will be using KOFI. Chart of account ID we can give it here 2244. Sales organization ID we can use here, in our case 2244. Account assignment group we have for the material and we have for the customer. So press F4. Here we have the account assignment group for the customer. In the customer master data, if you remember, we have selected the account assignment group as 01. Same account assignment group we will be selecting here. Then we have the account assignment group for the material. If you remember, in the finished stock account, we have selected the account assignment group as 03. So same we will be using here. If there would be contradiction, then system will give you the error message. Then for the revenue account, we'll be using the account key, and this account key we can use at ERL. This is the standard one, ERL. So this is for the sales revenue account key. Then you can link your GL. It is 300,000 in our case, and save. Click on the save option, and then we can come out of here. So our FISD integration is done now. It is saying that let's start using the end user steps, where we need to first add the stock. We need to add the stock of this finished material, then we will be creating a sale order of that finished material, then we will be dispatching, we will be sending it to the customer, we will be doing the PGI, we will be doing the outbound delivery under the step number 30. So here first we need to add the stock. In order to add the stock, we can run transaction code MB1C. Transaction code is MB1C. So screen will look like this. System is going to ask you for the movement type, your plant ID, storage location ID. Movement type we can select here 521, 521. Here it is in the practice sheet. So press F4 key, search for the movement type 521. Search for the 521. It is the stock received without any production order. So just select it. Storage location we have 2244 and then press enter button. You give your FG material, it is in our case FG 2244, which you want to get added, how much quantity you want to get added, press enter button, click on the save option, save. So we got the document, and you can just see the document number is 490030. Go to the next step, step number 27, creation of the sale order. So creation of the sale order we can do with the help of transaction code VA01. If you want to make the changes in your sale order, we have transaction code VA02. If you want to only display your sale order, we have the transaction code VA03. So since we need to create the sale order, we can run first transaction code VA01. So let's run transaction code VA01. This is for the creation of the sale order. So we'll be using the order type for the sale order creation as standard. It is OR, ordinary sale order creation. And after that, you can just see system has automatically populated your sale area. In our case, it is 2244 as sales organization, distribution channel 44, and division is again 44. So we can search for the OR. So here we have the standard order, standard sale order, and then press enter button. So this is a screen we have for the sale order creation. So we have the sold to party, ship to party, where we need to give the information about our customer. So already we have a customer, we can press F4 key for the company code. for the account group 2244. So we have this customer 10291. We can select this customer. Then you can just go down here. You have the sales tab. In the sales tab, we have the delivering plant information. So let it be field we can enter with 2244. Then terms of payment we can take it as standard 0001. And then we can have here the material information. So material information we can give the material ID FG 2244, and then we can enter here the order quantity 1000, and then press enter button. Now this is the single line item we have entered for the sale order. Likewise, for your sale order, you can have more than one line item also. So in the next line item, you can have another material ID, and accordingly, you can enter the quantity for that material. So for each of the line item, you will get the detail, and how we can drive the detail, I'll show you. So first, let's enter it. Now you can just see you got your first line item 10. Now if you want to see more detail like the pricing procedure and all, so you double click on this and it will take you to the another screen. In the another screen related to that line item 10 for your material, you can just see there are so many tabs we have. So the important tab for us, it is the condition type where we can just see the information related to the amount. So we have here the per unit amount if you want to change it, and then we have the total amount, and you can observe here the condition type system has a derived here, it is PR00. So this is the minimum information we needed for the creation of sale order. So here it is storage location, we can enter here 2244. This is under the shipping tab. Now we can go back to the previous screen. So this is the information we have for our sale order. Now you can save it. Click on the save option. System will give you the number for the standard order. And this number we can use for the creation of outbound delivery, that is the PGI, and billing. So in this sale order tab, in this sale order screen only, you have been given the option. So with reference to this sale order, you can directly go for the outbound delivery. And from this screen also, you can create the billing. So you can just see you got your standard sale order number. It is 12071. And now you want to do the outbound delivery. So for that, you can go to the menu sales document. You can just see you have an option to do the delivery from the screen, and you can also do the billing. So first, let's go for the delivery of the material. So here we are doing the next step, and the step number we have, it is step number 29. 29, delivery of goods. Transaction code, if we need to run, it is VL01N. And again the same thing, if you want to create a delivery document number, then VL01N. If you want to make the changes, then we have VL02N, and for display VL03N. So here we have the screen for the outbound delivery. So sale order number system has picked automatically for the shipping point 2244. So from this shipping point, we are going to deliver the material to our customer. Press enter button. So this selection date should be the date which we have entered in your sale order as a delivery date. I'll just show you. If there is a mismatch, then system will give you the message like this: no schedule line due for the delivery up to the selected date. This error will come because of the date issue. So how we can fix that error? So for that, we need to just open a sale order screen, go to the transaction code VL02N. So automatically system takes a date in your sale order creation, a gap of 7 days, 10 days. Again, this can be maintained by the SD consultant. Now you can just see here it is showing you the expected delivery date. Automatically system is taking a delivery date as 21st of July. Okay. The shipping tab, for the shipping it is just taking the date as 21st. So I'm going to take here the date as 21st of July, enter. So I just come out of here. Now we can run again, press enter button for the delivery of goods. So this time you can just see system is just showing you your goods issue date as 21st of July. and then we can go to the picking tab. By default, system will in this screen, system will give you the first tab as item overview, where we can just see the delivered quantity. You need to go to the picking tab, and here you need to enter the picked quantity as. So here we have the picked quantity as 1000, and then we can click on this PGI button, post good issue button. Click on post good issue button. So it is saying that the delivery document number has been saved. We got the delivery document number. It is 800-15184. In order to display it, we can go to the menu outbound delivery display button, display option, click on this, and then system automatically drive this number, recent number 800-15184. Press enter button. You can click on this document flow. Click on the document flow. You can also go to the menu environment, and here we have the relationship browser. Click on the relationship browser. Now you can just see this is our outbound delivery document number, sale order number 12071, and we have the material document number. Now we can just open it, and we can just see we have our accounting document number. Just double click on this, and now you can observe this outbound delivery document number PGI we have, and you can just see the accounting entry we have received. It is in the line item. You can just see cost of goods sold account system has debited, and your stock account has been decreased or it has been credited with the reference to the delivery document number 800-15184, and you can go back, and we have our last step, that is the billing, and this billing we can do with the help of transaction code VF01. Transaction code is VF01. Press enter button. So this is our outbound delivery document number. With reference to this, we want to do the billing. Press enter button, or you can also click on this execute button. System will give you this information. You click on this save button, save this billing document. So you got your billing document number. It is 900-36263. You can display this billing document. You go to the menu, billing document, and display. Click on the display button, then you press enter button. You can just go back here on the screen. If you want to see your billing document, you click on this. If you want to see your accounting document directly, you give the reference of your billing and then click on the accounting document. So you can just see system has created a accounting document number, and in this accounting document number we can just see system has created a line item for the sub ledger, that is your customer. Customer has been debited and your revenue count has been created. So we got the revenue and we have generated the revenue with amount 100,000, and our customer has been debited with again the same amount 100,000. Now if you just go back and check your customer line item with the help of transaction code FBL5N, you will observe system would have created a open item of 100,000 for this customer. Go to the open item, execute. Now this line item we have created not through the FI direct posting but through the sale order posting. So this has come into the system because of the sale order creation. And you can also observe here the document type we have received for this line item. For this invoice, we can also see the document type we have it as RV. Unlike if you directly create the sales invoices into the FI, then normally we get the document type DR. But here we can just see we got the document type RV. Why it is RV? Because this is based on the sale order. Now you can same way you can just select the checkbox, click on the display button, and you can go to the menu relationship browser. In the environment option, under the environment you have this relationship browser. Click on this. Now it will take you to the detail. We can just see the complete thread. It is saying that first the sale order was created, then your outbound delivery has been created. This is your outbound delivery, and with respect to your outbound delivery, system has created the accounting document number. This is the accounting document we have, and finally we have the billing, and the billing number is 900-36263, and for this billing we also got the accounting document number. So this is the complete thread. You will be able to get it for each of your sale order. Now how to get it all in the sale order also? So we can just see with the help of VA03 also you can display this any of your sale order. If you want to see that the complete thread, you mention your sale order and then click on this document flow. It will show you complete flow of the document. You can just see we have complete information. So starting with the sale order creation, and also it will show you the status if it is completed or it is incomplete. Then we have the outbound delivery, then we have the goods issue, and then we can just see the accounting document. Okay. So this accounting document system is just showing you not cleared because this is the open item and we'll do the payment. Incoming payment will be received and it will be completed. So this is the FISG integration we have, or order to cash. Okay, so with this we are done with the integration of FI with the SD.